Hello everyone, welcome to Shalini Foods. Today's recipe is Masala Dosa. Masala Dosa is a popular South Indian dish that contains of a crispy rice and lentil crepe filled with a spiced potato filling. It is a delicious and satisfying dish that has become a favorite in many parts of the world. Masala dosa can provide several benefits as it contains a combination of healthy ingredients. Here are some potential benefits of masala dosa. The crepe in masala dosa is made from rice and lentil batter, which provides a good source of carbohydrates. Carbohydrates are essential for energy production and can help keep you feeling full and satisfied. And it is also rich in fiber. Masala dosa is a good source of several essential vitamins and minerals, including vitamin C, iron, and potassium. These nutrients are important for immune system function, healthy blood circulation, and overall well being. Let's start the recipe. First, let's prepare masala. In a vessel, add 2 tablespoons of oil, half tablespoon of cumin, half tablespoon of mustard seeds, half tablespoon of chana dal, 1 cup of chopped onions, 3 or 4 green chilies, few curry leaves, and 2 chopped potatoes. Add salt as per your taste. Saute it until potatoes are cooked well. Close and cook. Let's prepare toppings for the dosa. Add roasted Bengal gram and grind it. Now add 1 cup of chopped onions, 1 tablespoon of salt and 2 tablespoons of red chili powder and grind it. Mix it well and make sure that the potatoes are cooked evenly. We can check the potatoes whether they are cooked or not by just cutting them. If they cut easily, they are cooked perfectly. Now let's prepare besan batter. Take 3 to 4 tablespoons of besan, add salt as per your taste and add little water and mix as shown in the video. Make sure there are no lumps in it and then add 1 cup of water. Add 1 teaspoon of turmeric. Saute for 1 minute on low heat. Now add besan water and mix well. Add half cup of water and mix well. Now in the dosa batter, add salt as per your taste, 1 pinch of eating soda and little water, mix well. Adjust salt as per your taste here itself. And as per your consistency, add little water and cook. Once cooled, the masala becomes thick. Now let's prepare dosha. Spread dosha batter and add few drops of oil. Now apply 1 tablespoon of ghee and apply onion paste on it. Sprinkle roasted Bengal gram powder on it. You can store this powder in an airtight container for even 1 month. Now add potato besan masala on the dosa and fold it. Very tasty and delicious masala dosa is ready. Serve hot. Repeat the same process for other dosas. Foxtail millet dosha recipe is given in the description box. Please watch it. You can prepare this dosha even with that batter also. More breakfast recipes are given in the description box. Please watch them. Try the recipe and let me know your feedback in comments. More interesting and healthy recipes are on the way. If you didn't subscribe till now, subscribe my YouTube channel, hit the bell icon and follow Shalini Foods in Facebook and Instagram. Thanks for watching.